Okay, what I'm using here is RStudio. You're probably just using the R development environment, and it doesn't matter because all I'm going to use to show you this is the console anyway. So I'm not going to use all the fancy add-ons and tools that come with RStudio. To bring in a list of numbers, over here in your console, you can type X less than the dash C, and then your number separated by commas. So 2, 8, 9, 15. Now, this creates a list of numbers 2, 8, 9, and 15. With this, we can do different things. You could, and it's in memory now. So if I simply type X, then that'll show me my list of numbers. Now, if I wanted to, for example, sum them, if I type sum beginning parentheses X closing parentheses and press enter, that would add them together. 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 15. That's just one example. You're going to do a lot with lists throughout the course, but that just shows you a simple example. Now, with one of the benefits of RStudio is as you start typing, if you type 3 letters, it'll pop up with a suggestions. For example, if I start typing table, I get to my third one, it pops up with table. If I start typing sum, it pops up with list here, but notice that there's a bar over here, so I can scroll down, and these are all the different functions I can do. Don't get overwhelmed. There's a lot to R, but we're going to just stick with the basics. Now I'm here at sum. Let me get that back. If I start going back now, then you can see all the options that start with S. You have to have 3 letters in order to bring up that. Now, you will not have that capability in the regular R environment. So the console is a lot less limited there. Okay, and that's basically how to put a list of numbers into R so you can work with them. If you want to override it, you just type in a new list. Now if I type X, there's my new list. You can give it whatever name you want. I can have Y and 1.3, 2.5. I now have 2 lists in here. And if I press X, I can see my original numbers are there. If I press Y, I can see my original numbers there. So that's working with some of your lists of numbers or data.